YouTube, what's going on, man? Today is the motherfucking day, man. Today is the day that we get a Hellcat. Now, if y'all don't know, I do got the SRT 392, and I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys, it might be time to wrap it up, my boys. You feel me? Like, the SRT 392 did do me good for a good minute, bro, but if y'all don't know, I am currently on the way to go pick up a Hellcat. Now, I already went to go look at this Hellcat earlier. I test drove it, but I had to come back home and find insurance for this car because if y'all don't know, Hellcat insurance is hard to find, bro. I called Geico. They wanted me to pay $730, but I found another insurance company that only want me to pay $500 a month. So that's a better deal. And just to let y'all boys know that I am not capping, Brody, it's real. As y'all boys can see, if you know how much this is all 50s. Not doing no capping. This is all 50s, bro. I'm keeping the SRT 392. Don't get it fucked up. The SRT 392 is not going nowhere. I'm keeping it. I'm gonna have both, but I'm gonna end up selling the SRT 392. I just didn't want to trade it in because they're not trying to offer me a good enough price to trade it in, and plus negative equity. So I'm not gonna trade it in. I'm gonna private sell this car on my own. I'm gonna definitely get it sold before the end of the month because I'm not making 2 payments this month. Oh God, you know what I'm saying? But yes, that is what's about to go down. We're about to go over there, head over and put the down payment down, and we shall be driving away in a Hellcat today.
Years ago, from 2022, the speeding ticket is something that does affect the insurance price. So just to review, that would change the monthly bills to go to $8, $15, and 99 cents. By the way, if you still have a way to go to traffic school to take that point off, your bill would go down again. So just keep that in mind if you still have the option to do traffic school. You know all your coverages. You have full coverage, so you have your $1,000 deductible for your comprehensive and collision coverage.
Thank you.
Well, 10 steps like buying a house. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm killing it.
I think it might be a little bit extra. I think it's like $200 extra. I don't know.
We'll find out exactly.
Okay.
Alright.
Yo, chat, we got a fucking Hellcat, man. I don't even know what the fuck to say, bro. We literally went from dreaming to get a Hellcat to now having a Hellcat and a Scat Pack at the same time. As y'all can see, I did not sell the Scat Pack. The Scat Pack is still mine. I'm about to come back and get it. I'm about to go get my homeboy so he can come back and drive my Scat Pack to my house, and I'm gonna drive the Hellcat. Bro, this shit crazy, bro. I don't even know how to feel, bro. I got a fucking Scat and a Hellcat at the same goddamn time, bro. Obviously, I am selling the Scat, but it's just the fact that I got both of them right now, bro. I don't even know what to say, bro. Just a year ago, I was broke as shit. Not able to afford nothing, bro. Not even able to get an RT. I was broke as shit, bro. Nothing, like nothing. My camera about to die, so I'm gonna pick the camera back up whenever I do charge it, but I'm gonna give y'all boys some motivation, bro. Cause real shit, bro, this shit crazy. As y'all boys can see, there is the SRT 392. That's my SRT 392. And yeah, we in the cat right now, twin, no cap. Yeah. Yeah. We in that cat, twin. We'll give y'all boys a pull. God damn, we in that cat, motherfucker, twin, no bap. YouTube, here go the goddamn SRT, y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys, I had to hop on the camera just cause it's like, bro, damn. I really just was in the same spot like 2 weeks ago filming a video on why you shouldn't buy a Scat Pack, and now I got a fucking Hellcat, bro. This shit crazy as fuck, my boys. I ain't gonna lie, bro, look at this shit, bro. It's literally the Scat Pack all over again. As y'all boys can see, it is gray interior. Got the 5-spoke rims on the rims, Brembos, you know how that shit go. It's literally the Scat Pack all over again. Red interior on the seats, you feel me? This shit is literally crazy, bro. You know, SRT, you feel me? Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. I have a Scat Pack and a fucking, not a Scat Pack, a 392 and a Hellcat, bro, at the same time, bro. But obviously, like I did tell y'all boys, the SRT 392 is up for sale. So if you're watching this video and you want to buy the 392, hit my DMs. My Instagram is TrapRay. Hit my DMs. That car is up for sale. Come with the right price, bro. Don't try to lowball me, bro. I know it got 100,000 miles, bro. It's a 2015, bro. It's supposed to have, it's literally, that mileage is normal, bro. That car has been well maintained and everything, bro. Don't come to my DMs without the right price, bro. I'm telling you. But yes, bro. This is the new pickup, man. We got the SRT Hellcat. Now I can stop clickbaiting my titles and my thumbnails with a Hellcat, because I actually got a Hellcat now. And this bitch is like literally murdered out. No, it's not murdered out. I think I'm gonna wrap it all black, satin black. I'm gonna wrap it satin black. I'm gonna put the big ass Hellcat logo on the back, on both back windows. You feel me? I'm gonna keep it low key. I'm gonna just get it 5% tinted out, all black, you know. Not gonna lie, y'all boys. I don't know if it's because I had a Scat Pack already, but I am really not that excited. I mean, I like the car, but like I'm not like overly excited. I guess it's because I'm coming from a Scat Pack, so I kind of already know like about these cars. But like, bro, this shit is crazy, bro. Like literally, y'all boys, I'm telling y'all, anything is possible, bro. Literally just a year ago, bro, I was in my fucking room broke as shit, bro. No money. Like I had like $200, bro, in my room trying to figure out a way, bro, on how I can fucking make some money. I used to watch niggas on YouTube with these cars and be like, damn, how the fuck can I get one, bro? I want one of these shit so bad. Like, nigga, I'm black, twin. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Any black nigga, bro, or whatever, if you into cars, bro, you know how fun Hellcats are, bro. Like, it was just in me to where it's like, bro, I gotta get one before I die, bro. But I didn't know how I was gonna do it. And now I got a Scat Pack 392 and a fucking Hellcat at the same time. This shit is crazy. But yeah, y'all boys, move y'all boys, look around, bro. This shit is so crazy, bro. Look at this shit, y'all boys. You got goddamn Hellcat. It's not a red eye, but it's just a regular Hellcat, not a jailbreak, not a red eye, nothing like that. But y'all boys, it's tinted out in the back tail lights. I gotta customize this shit. I'm gonna get a diffuser. I might just take mine off my car that I already got and just put this one back on my regular car and just flip them hoes like that, cause bro, it's literally the same car. It got no wicker bill. I'm literally just about to take everything off my Scat Pack and put it on this shit, bro, cause I'm not rebuying all of that shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not buying all that shit over again, bro. But let me give y'all boys a startup. Now look, y'all boys, if y'all don't know, I just bought a fake red key, bro, off a TikTok shop. I literally just bought a fake red key like last week. Now I still don't got my red key because them boys did not give me the red key. They said I gotta go back tomorrow to get this car serviced, because I bought this car as soon as it hit the lot. Like I literally sniped this shit. I bought this shit as soon as it hit the lot, and like, nigga, I had to buy it, bro, because it was for a good price, bro. Like somebody else is gonna buy this shit so fast, so I just sniped this shit and I hurry up and bought it. So yeah, it didn't get inspected. Well, it got inspected. I inspected it, nigga. I seen what the fuck was going on, nigga. Everything is perfectly fine, my boy. You feel me? But I'm gonna give y'all boys a startup. Wrong key. Give y'all boys a startup. It's not as loud as my Scat Pack. This shit, feel me? Yeah. It's not as loud as my Scat Pack, bro. My Scat Pack is 10 times louder, but don't worry, bro. I'm gonna customize the fuck out of this car. Y'all know how I get, bro. This bit will be straight pipe within the next week or two. I'm gonna vlog that shit. Make sure y'all boys subscribe to this goddamn channel, bro. This shit about to be crazy, bro. I'm about to get this shit up there to 1,000 horsepower, all that shit, bro. Don't worry, bro. This is about to be the build of the century. But yeah, y'all boys, comment down, let me show y'all the engine, because a lot of niggas might think, oh, you got fake Hellcat badges, bro. This is not a Hellcat. You know how niggas be. Let me show y'all boys the engine. He got an intake on here, but let me know what y'all boys think about this intake. Or should I upgrade to the leg maker intake? Or should I keep this intake? I think it says AFE power. Let me know if that intake is good. I don't know shit about Hellcats. I know about Scat Packs, but let me know. You see the big Hellcat engine block. Yes, supercharger. Supercharged up. You feel me? We supercharged, nigga, on God. But yes, this is the Hellcat, y'all boys. Now, I say all this to say, bro, if you watching this video and you don't got a Scat Pack or a Hellcat or the car you really want, bro, just grind, bro. Trust me. A lot of shit can change within a year or two, bro. Trust me, bro. Trust the process. Don't give up on yourself, bro. Everything happens for a reason, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I was just sitting in my room broke as shit, bro. Nothing, no money. Now I got a Scat Pack and a Hellcat, bro, and I'm only 21, bro. Shit can change real quick, bro. On God. This no cosign either. No cosign, no nothing. This is straight me, bro. Build your credit, get you some money. Get whatever you want. I swear. Just put faith in God and just fucking believe in yourself, bro. You're gonna get there. You're gonna get whatever you want, bro. Trust me. Hard work, nigga. Don't sit on your ass and just watch other niggas. You gotta be putting in work too. Trust me, bro. This shit is crazy. But yeah, I want to give y'all some motivation because I know a lot of young niggas watch my channel and y'all niggas probably like, damn, bro, I want this car. I was just like y'all, bro. I was literally just like y'all, bro. Don't be ashamed of it. Feel me? If you don't got it yet, it's on the way, bro. Don't be ashamed of it. Don't rush. Wait your turn. I waited my turn, bro. Just wait your turn. Shit gonna come. You feel me? But yeah, that is gonna clear out today's video, man. I'm gonna give y'all boys one more walk around the car. Feel me? We go tinted out tail lights. Feel me? Back of the car. It's not a wide body. I wish it was a wide body. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna drop some more videos, so make sure y'all boys subscribe to this channel, bro. Like, videos about to be dropping in this bitch, on God. But yes, this is the Hellcat, man. With that being said, man, I hope y'all boys like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what do y'all think about it. And yeah, like the video, bro. And with that being said, man, it's been your boy SRT Trap, real SRT Trap now. And yeah, I'm out, son.